Sawadika, hi everyone. Today we are making stir-fried prawn with bitter bean in red curry paste. You can definitely use store-bought red curry paste or make it at home from scratch by following my video recipe, which will be linked down below. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have fresh prawns, red curry paste, kaffir lime leaves torn in half, big chilies cut diagonally, peeled stinky bean, and lastly, our sliced long bean. Here are our seasonings. We have plain water, fish sauce, oyster sauce, cooking oil, chicken stock powder, and sugar. To start, we are going to stir fry red curry paste in some vegetable oil on medium heat. It is very important to stir fry this until it becomes really fragrant. This is what makes the whole dish shine. When it is looking nice and rich, you can then add in your prawns and combine this well until the prawns have fully cooked. The heat we are using should be between low and medium. Add in all of these seasoning ingredients and combine well. When this is well mixed, you can then add in your long bean, bitter bean, some plain water, and combine it well once again. When the long bean looks about done, you can then add in the last two ingredients, which are big chili and kaffir lime leaves. Give it one last good mix. Now for the final step, give this a taste test and adjust accordingly to your own liking. Then it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.